Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have a cat or a dog, you know how important it is to keep up with their flea and tick prevention. Not only keeps them safe, but also keeps you safe. So this is Frontline Plus for cats, and I use this for my indoor-outdoor cat. And what I like about it is that it's very effective against fleas and ticks, and it's easy to apply. You only have to do it once a month, and you're good to go. I also love that it comes in a 6-dose box so that I can just buy the 6 doses and then I have enough for 6 months and I don't have to think about it again. I'll show you what the little packs look like. So they come in these individual little dose packs, these little vials, and all you have to do is take it out of the foil pack and you snip the top of this off, and then you see the liquid there, and it's all one dose, so you really want to make sure you get it all onto their skin in one shot. And it's such a small amount that it is pretty easy to get it on them. So if you have a cat and you want to keep them really well protected against fleas and ticks, I would definitely recommend the Frontline Plus for cats. I think it's worked really well for our cat, and that is my point of view.